Good morning. We are live in North Richland Hills, Texas, and I am about to put running boards on a 2011 GMC Sierra SL. Yeah, that's right. So this is how they look right now, and of course, these are your instructions. Oh, that's upside down. My bad. All right, those are your instructions. That's all that came with it. Yeah, the same thing I said. So pretty much tools you are going to need, you're gonna need a flathead screwdriver. Oh, and you gotta have the candles out here for the mosquitoes. Need some needle nose, and you're gonna need you a wrench. Let's get the socket for it. And I think I was using, let's see here. That's usually what happens. There we go. I found it. Okay. You are going to be using a 9/16. All right. So one thing I noticed when I was under the other side is on this vehicle, you're gonna have, let me reverse this camera for you. All right, up under here, you'll see your little ports. Got little spots there. And then, let's see, there you go right there. You got one right there. And then you're gonna have another one. There's one right there. They already got a little bracket that's gonna have to come out. But one thing's different about this vehicle, in the front, you'll notice there isn't one. So what you'll do is that port, those two right there, the top and the bottom screw, those are your body ports that you're gonna be using to screw onto. All right, so let's reverse. All right, hold on just a second. Let me put my gloves on. Yeah, and it's already 80 to 90 degrees out here already this morning, so we're gonna work through it. All right, so now that I've already did the other side, pretty much know how to do it. Like I said, the instructions didn't tell me none. And also, when you take your running boards out, make sure you don't have a bend in them, because I got a slight, I don't know if you can see it on here, I got a slight bend right there. I'll fix that later. All right, so these are the pieces that's left over. We're gonna come and put those over here. Boom. All right. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna do the brackets. All right. I'm gonna do the bracket, running board itself. Yeah, so they didn't really give you no kind of, the instructions, man, are crappy. And like I said, this is for whoever want to do it, male or female. All right, so I'm gonna try to turn this so you can kind of see the stuff that I'm doing. That eye protection on. Got my stuff for the mosquitoes. Of course, you want to be careful. You don't want to blow nothing up. All right. So pretty much it's gonna be 2. And what I'm doing is I'm putting my individual pieces out, so I know everything I need. That's only because I did the other side. And I got nervous because I was like, man, this ain't all the stuff. So, you know how us Americans are, we panic. Or if you're not American, it's all good. Alright, so you won't need these for the front part of the truck. So those get put back. And it's probably going to vary on different models, but this one, you won't need it. So, put those to the side. Now, I'm going to show everything. All right. This is what you'll need for the back end. That's towards the middle of the truck. Like I said, you won't be using that brass bracket for the front. All right. Bear with me. It's hot out here. Smoking Joe Frazier. All right. So I'm gonna turn this back on. I'm gonna do one. Then I can show you exactly what I'm doing. So I'm pretty much gonna take and look for this one. So therefore, that one's got to come out. Oh, hold on. The candle's burning my hair. Switch that over. All right, so I need my screwdriver with needle nose. You know, notice I got on safety glasses. Ain't no games. I'm in Texas, but I'm still from the M-Town. Get rid of that one. Same down here. Let's change this up. All right. Well, that fell inside, but we all good. So, what you're gonna do is take this, put that lip, that nipple part in the inside, and needle nose or screwdriver, whatever you want to use. Like so. Same thing over here. Actually, I missed a step. Take the other one. You're gonna put that one right here. Boom. Same thing. Hopefully this video gonna help some people, because I got out here this morning was like, what the so that one's being a little stubborn. There we go. Boom. Other one right here. You see, Get those in there. Like I said, you won't need that for the front ones. Pay no attention to that little dent right there. I don't know what happened. This was already like this when we bought the truck. Thank you very much, Lynn. This was a Father's Day gift. But that's not important. All right. So now, what we're gonna do is, I'm gonna prep this like so. Alright, so now this is pretty much how it's gonna go. Let's go back. You can see it's gonna go just like that. Boom, boom, boom. So go ahead and get one screw started. And like I learned from another video, you don't tighten it all the way down, just a little bit. But like I said, that's common sense. Hell, I like to overdo things, so if I had never looked at that video, I would have been tightening this stuff down. These zoom out a little bit, yeah. So all you doing is getting that in there. You might have to get you a light too, because it's kind of hard to see up under here. But you know, whatever works for you. That in there. On to the next one. Oh god, that damn wrench stuck me in the ass. Sorry, here's my language. Same thing. Boom, 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 boom. At first, what I did, I was trying to figure out why in the hell these are only ones all the way back here. But then I got to thinking, this is where most of the weight is gonna be. So it's all good. You got some brackets that people buy, and they end up bowing in the middle. And this is the reason why, because they don't have this extra, this little piece right here. Because this one came with 6 brackets. Some of them only come with 2. 2 for each side. Yeah, that ain't enough. I weigh over 200 pounds. Alright. Ah, damn, I'm stuck. Hold on. Okay. I'm good. Alright. Now down here. Same thing. I don't need the instructions anymore because I kind of memorized how I did it. And plus, I'm ready to go and knock this out. I'm a little pissed off, man, that they didn't have no better instructions. But so then, that's why I say that's when your common sense come into play. So now, I said you don't have the little brackets like you had up front. I mean, in the back. So now you're going to... Alright, so now, what you're going to do here, just lining those up. So I'm like, man, they done sold me the wrong thing. Then I said, well, let's try to figure it out. Well, that actually ain't what I said. I got mad as hell. Like I said, don't tighten them up. All right, so now we're gonna get the running boards, get them ready. All right. Now, another thing I noticed was, I'm like, when I get ready to look at the running boards, I'm like, man, how in the hell I'm supposed to make those go on there? There's nowhere to go. So I had to think, and I was like, well, how in the hell this supposed to get in there? So then I started looking at it. It's a track. Boom, like that, yeah. So what you'll do is, hurry, and we're gonna take these out. There, get out the way. There, boom, boom. Missing a bolt, okay. Like I said, you don't have to do it the way I'm doing it. But you see how fast I almost got finished. Boom, 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 boom. Get down there. So now, what you're gonna do is, you're gonna take this, and sit it on there, like this. Okay, so now the next thing is to come with this. And you're gonna take and go like so. Or actually, you can do like this. But you ain't gonna be able to do that on the other two. Well, the front one, but not the middle one. So, let that drop in there. And your sequence is big washer, that, and that. Just like that now. Kind of hard to do this holding this phone, but we're gonna do it because somebody made a video for me. Like I said, every truck, every vehicle is different, brother. All right, so we're gonna do this. Right there for just a second. This is being a little stubborn. There we go. Alright. Same thing. That damn bug tried to crawl up my ass, man. Sorry. Excuse me. Same thing. Alright. So, got that. I'm gonna reverse it. That's pretty much how it's gonna look. And what's gonna happen is this is gonna slide back and forth. But once you lock it on there, you either go pull it all the way out. I elected to have mine all the way out on this side, so you can push it in. Let me show you. Hold on. Let me start over. I didn't know I didn't reverse it. Okay, that's how it's supposed to look. My bad. So this is why you don't tighten it. So you gotta give you room to move it. So if you look at it, pushed in, pulled out, in, out. I wanted mine out so my girlfriend and my son and her mom or whoever, people can have room to get in and out the truck. So, well, that's pretty much it. All you're gonna do is bolt all of them bolts on, and it should be A1 from there. Peace out.